This game's called Machine Gun Joe. It doesn't look like I have a box art, so Sega Mark III, huh? This is a Japanese game. Or, you know what? Outside of US. Okay, it looks promising. This is an old game from 1986. Oh. What? Oh, I can jump. What the hell? Oh, dang it. What is that? Oh. What? So you could shoot multi-directional. What is that? Is that an item? Wait, so do I shoot these guys? Whoa. Oh, you know what? That's fair. At least it only takes one shot. Oh, this game's awesome. Dang it. Can I get this? Yes. I don't know what that is. Oh, that was an apple? Dude, I want that. Dang it. One up, game over? Oh, this is happening again. Yes. Are they always random? I don't know. No. What? Oh, so I should trust nobody. Super pig. Shoot you again. Oh, wait. It does look like an item I can select. Oh, dang it. I wish I have a turbo controller. I do like the idea that those little guys like, come and get stuck on you like that game Kung Fu. Dang, I didn't even make it to the second whatever. You know what? Let's do it. Like that you wear purple or pink or whatever color it is. Well, can I collect these? Can I collect these guys? Oh! So that is a weapon for me. Shoot. Dang it. What? What is that? I don't know. But I'm gonna keep playing this. Full use of my name, 10-minute gamer. Yes! I don't know what that is. What? What happened? No, I'm making it back to the second stage. Oh. Actually, they take a long time to get this shot off. Stupid game from 1986. What? Oh, dude, I see that shot now. That's a quick shot. Alright, that's not happening again, isn't it? Yes, it is. What? What? Dude. Oh. There's no continues. Sucks. It's because I'm trying to make it back to the second stage, isn't it? You know, this is too quick of a game. Oh, there's a bomb for that. So, I don't know. Why would a pig be carrying a bomb? It's weird, right? Ooh. Dang it! Ugh. Crap. How come this time is in so long? Where the heck is the boss, man? Stupid whatever. I don't know. Dude, come on. Alright, this is the last one. I don't care if I make it or not. Oh, dang it. I'm trying to an octopus. I don't understand. I don't want that. I don't know what that is. And I still got hit. Oh, he came out shooting, man. This guy. What I don't understand is how come they transform to get you to grab a hold of me? How come I don't get that? I try and do stupid octopus. I have no idea if I hit him 2 times, 3 times, or whatever. And right when I say I'm not gonna, you know, and I make it. Oh, that's it. Game over. Thank you for watching.